There are more than 500 implant systems, and this list keeps growing every year. Thankfully, there are only 20 or 30 or so major implant systems across the world. The other ones tend to be a copy of the original ones. It takes a lot of research and data to gather a effective implant system, and the reason for that is the design of the part that goes into the gum needs to be of a certain shape and profile design to allow the new tooth to emerge from the gum naturally. There are a series of connections that occur between the implant, the connection, and the actual tooth itself, which can come in many different forms. Unless we have the exact parts and drivers to unscrew these elements, we can't actually access the implant. So one of the challenges we have is identifying implants that have been placed not in the UK or not by clinicians that we know of or can contact. As a result, we have to go through a series of steps to try and identify that implant system. Now, touch wood, we have a 100% success rate of identifying implants in our clinic. That being said, retrieving the parts depends on the distribution of that implant system to the UK. Occasionally, implant systems are based in different countries which may not send packages to us, so there are other means to actually identify these systems. And the means are to find out which connection is compatible with the system. Ideally, we want the original parts from the manufacturer, but if we can't get that, we will look to equivalent copycat manufacturers that can actually help us with compatibility. The alternative in these situations, if you cannot get original parts, is to use that second option or to remove the implant. This is much more invasive than trying to actually use something cross-compatible. Replacing the implant involves surgery, involves a healing period. You're looking at 3 to 6 months of process. And if we can save the implant and it's healthy, I see no reason why we shouldn't take the steps that are available to us, because it will ultimately give you what you need back, which is the tooth. For whichever reason you're having it replaced, to do with aesthetics or function, the part that's into the gum is the part that we want to protect the most, because those are the ones that last the longest, because they are fixed to the bone.